How to make an About Us page on Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build trust and credibility of your Shopify store. So to get started, you need to open the web browser. Now search for Shopify. Then click on Shopify Online. Here click on Login. Click on My Store. Here click on Online Store from the left dashboard. Now click on Pages. Here click on Add Page. From here you can add a page. Now enter the desired title. You can find various options in the second box. From here you can insert an image. Now click on Upload File. After that, select an image from here. Then click on Upload. Click on Product Image and select any image. Then click on Insert Image. As you can see, our picture has been uploaded. Now click on Edit Website SEO. Click on the picture to view it in full. You can also adjust the picture if you want. You can write something for your About section. As you can see, what I type is now showing in my About section. You can also write a description for your product just like this. After that, click on Save. As you can see, About Us has been created. This is how you can make About Us page on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.